this weather, guys, super windy. Super windy. The leaves. The leaves super windy. They are waggling, guys. Super windy today, guys. And very calm. It's not hot. Actually, earlier it's hot. Like in the middle of the day, it's 90 degree. Right now, it's 80 degree, I guess. And then, kinda almost rain. So, this is it. Texas weather, almost falls. Also, it's on autumn. This is my malunggay, guys. Oh, only Filipino knows malunggay. That one is not malunggay. I don't know what is that. And super windy today, guys. No more. It's steady. Right now, it's steady. But later on, the wind will blow again. Windy. Cat is there. My cat is there. Smelling my wheelbarrow. There, start again, guys. Ikaw, gawas na pug ka! Karon pa ka uli! The other cat is there. They are almost fight. Oh, they are fighting. Come here, Mimi. There, orange one. The orange cat. Ano, blurry man. I am now in our backyard. Our backyard is kind of small yard only. Where are you going, Mimi? You will blow by the wind. Meow. Meow. Super beautiful cat.